How to claim Robux and please donate on Roblox Mobile. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim Robux that you've been donated within Please Donate in the Roblox mobile app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like because that really helps me out. So there's actually two different things here. If you were donated Robux in Please Donate and it's not showing up in your account, I'm going to first show you how to go into Please Donate and claim that donation, and then check the status of that donation within your Roblox account. So to get started with claiming Robux in Please Donate, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Roblox app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then just open up Please Donate. Once you get into Please Donate, on the left side, you'll see some icons. Looks like a shopping cart and a gift. Go ahead and select the gift, and this will be any offline donations that you received. If people sent you donations on Please Donate while you didn't have a stand set up. Once gifts is open, select the little envelope in the top right next to the X. And then in here, you'll see any donations that were made to you while you were offline. To claim these, simply select Claim. And then you'll receive those Robux in your account. Now, if after you've claimed those donations, or maybe you didn't have any donations to claim, you're still not seeing those Robux in your account, what we need to do is open up the browser on our phone, and you can go ahead and close Roblox. Then just open up a browser and navigate to roblox.com. When you get to roblox.com, if you see anything like this that says Continue in App, go ahead and select Continue in Browser below that, and log into your Roblox account where you're trying to claim those Robux. From here, in the top right, select the little Robux icon next to the gear, and then in the menu, select My Transactions. Now that we're here, what you need to do is go down and under Incoming Robux, go to Pending Robux. Now, if you just received these Robux like me, they may not show up under there. If you have any pending Robux, select the little clock, and this will tell you that it takes a couple days for those Robux to be approved by Roblox and then added to your account. So what I recommend doing is just coming back here, checking the transactions, and it should take, I've seen it take up to a week for them to actually clear them and add them to people's accounts on Roblox. But after a couple days, they'll be moved from pending Robux to your total, and you'll be able to spend those Robux on Roblox. All right, so that's how you claim Robux and Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.